Today, we are going to be talking about how to use the CRM AnyWare mobile app on the go. CRM AnyWare also runs standalone, and it also has ready-made Sage Interact integration. Now let's start with the dashboard. In here, you can see all your KPIs, key performance indicators in a colorful visual environment. As you can see, we can see total opportunity status, our opportunity value, conversion rates. We can see all our funnels with their stage distribution. Below that, we can see all our tasks. And lastly, we can also see our lead source report, which breaks down the origin of leads. CRM is available on the Apple Store and Google Play via our mobile app, bringing all these powerful features right to your fingertips wherever you are. And I'm going to show you the app in action as well. All right, now I'm switching to my mobile app. All right, here we go. So when you first open the app, you'll see the main dashboard. You can see all your messages. So when you click on one specific message, for example, you can see all your message history, again, with the contact name on the top. If you click on that contact name, you can see a little bit more detail. You can see their information, such as their email, their phone number, and so forth. And you can see their general information as well, such as their address and so on, right? Let's go back one more, and let's move to our modules on the left. As you can see, we have opportunities, manual actions, invoices, insights, tasks, reputation, products, and document contracts. On the way top, we can switch between different accounts. So as you can see, total we have 3 accounts. So I can switch between them with ease. For this example, I'm going to go with Marvelous Workflows. And after change it, everything stays the same, but our inside information will be changed, such as, for example, let's go to opportunities. Under opportunities, we can see the new leads, no answer, left voicemail and text. So whatever I showed you guys earlier in the web version, you see the same thing on the mobile version as well, as you can see right here. Again, we did the columns like schedule a demo, no show, no response, follow up on 1 week, client close, and client no interested. You can see everything, same thing on your mobile app as well. Next to that, we also have manual actions. We can see all our manual actions. We can see all our tasks. So as you can see, this is a completed task. When you click on it, I can either view the specific task info, the contact info. I can delete it, or I can even edit this task. As you can see, the specific task is follow up. The description with follow up as one is assigned to Kevin with contact with Dave demo, and the due date, as you can see, the due date, and I can change it as well with a one over click, and I can change the due date showing here. All right, so this was our task. We can also see our reputation or products. As you can see, we have 2 products. Adding a new product is simple. We can simply click on plus button, and we will put our item name with the description. And after putting those, we also have an option to add an image. After that, we can click on next. And after adding the financial information, that will be update our products. We also have can see all our reputation here as well. Lastly, let's talk about our documents and contracts. Under documents and contracts, you can see all our documents with their contracts, as you can see right here. All right, before we finish, we can also see the calendar on your mobile app as well. As you can see here, you can switch between months, and I can make an appointment here as well by clicking on this plus button. I can schedule appointment or block the time. When we click on the schedule appointment, first I'm going to have to choose the contact. Then I can choose which calendar this schedule is going to go from here, and I can assign a team member to that schedule. And of course, arranging the time zones with the appointment title, appointment date. Once you're all set, we can click on the save button on the top right, and that will update our calendar. All right, that sums up the whole overview of the CRM AnyWare software. Thank you.